Hi everyone. Hope all are safe in pandemic situation. I'm here to discuss with you how Azure really works. Microsoft Azure is a private and public cloud platform. You may be familiar with Azure services that developers and software professionals to build, deploy and manage applications. Question is how it works. And answer is it uses virtualization. Virtualization separates the tight coupling between a computer CPU and its operating system, using an abstraction layer called a hypervisor. The hypervisor emulates all the functions of a real computer and its CPU in a virtual machine. It can run multiple virtual machines at the same time, and each virtual machine can run any compatible operating system. That is Windows or Linux. Azure takes this virtualization technology and repeats it on a massive scale in Microsoft data centers throughout the world. Each data center has many racks filled with servers. Each server includes a hypervisor to run multiple virtual machines. A network switch provides connectivity to the servers. One server in each rack runs the special piece of software called a fabric controller. Each fabric controller is connected to another special piece of software known as the orchestrator. The orchestrator is responsible for managing everything that happens in Azure, including responding to user requests. Users make requests using the orchestrator's web API. The web API can be called by many tools, including user interface of Azure portal. When a user makes a request to create a virtual machine, the orchestrator packages everything that needs, picks the best server rack and sends the package that requests to the fabric controller. Once the fabric controller created the virtual machine, the user can connect to it. Azure makes it easy for developers and software professionals to be agility when it build, deploy and manage applications and services. But this agility can have unintended consequences if unauthorized resources are created or if resources are left running after no longer than needed. This is how one of the topmost cloud platform Azure works really. Hope everyone understood how Azure really works. Hope our sessions makes you guys more interesting. Comment your interested topics which you guys wanted from us as part of Azure Knowledge Transfer. Thanks for watching. Like us, comment us, and don't forget to subscribe us. Have a great day everyone.